Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll teach you how to use Excel VBA to automatically adjust column widths as you enter the data. This will save your time and effort when working with large datasets. Stay till the end because I'll share a useful tip to help you in your daily office tasks and help to answer job interview questions for data analysts. Here you can see I'm entering the data. Every time I need to manually adjust columns by dragging the cursor. Imagine how tiring this could get with large dataset. Definitely not efficient. Now I'll show you a simple VBA code to make this process automatic. To open the VBA editor, right click on the Sheet tab, View Code. Once inside the VBA editor, just type this simple VBA code. This code ensures that every time new data is added, the column will automatically adjust to fit. To apply this code, press on the Save option. Now let's go back to the sheet and try entering some data. You will notice that now columns are adjusted automatically as I type. No more manual dragging here. So that's how you can save your time and effort by automating column adjustment in Excel using the VBA. Daily tip, let me show you a simple way to make progress bar. That's all for today and see you in the next one.